The Company Settings feature helps you customize QuickBooks to keep your business running smoothly. This video will show you how to navigate to the Company Settings menu, enter or change contact information, customize your sales form and your expense settings. To start, from the home screen, click on the Gear menu and beneath the column heading Your Company and select Accountant Settings. In the Settings Navigator, select the Company bar. In the sub-menu labelled Contact Info, click on the pencil icon to the far right to edit your contact info. In the sub-menu detail, edit your company contact info by typing into each of the boxes. Notice that you can also add customer address to tell your clients where to contact you or send their payments. Be sure to save your changes before moving on. To customize your sales form settings, select the Sales bar, then click on the pencil icon in the top right of the Sales Form Content submenu. Here you can add custom sales information. You can also customize and edit messages to your customers in the Messages section. Once you're finished making your adjustments to your sales settings, be sure to click Save before moving on. To customize your expenses settings, select the Expenses tab from the Settings Navigator. Click on the pencil icon that appears to the right of the Bills and Expenses submenu to edit. This is where you can edit your expense settings. For example, try changing the default bill payment terms to net 30. The Advanced tab offers several other options for adjusting your settings. For example, automation helps you save time by cutting down your data entry. To edit your automation settings, click on the pencil icon that appears to the right of the Automation submenu. There are checkboxes here to automate processes like pre-fill forms with previously entered content to have QuickBooks recall information that you've used before and add it to a current form. You can also automate applying credits and bill payments to your customer invoices and more. If you want to know more about a particular field, click the question mark beside it. When you've adjusted your settings just the way you like them, click Save and you'll be set. With fine-tuned settings, QuickBooks will put your business cares on cruise control. That's it. Now get started.